Hi, brand. I am Devangana and I'm the co founder of Trendly. So, I'm going to give you a very quick walkthrough of this discovery tool in our platform and how it will help you find the correct influencer. So, let's say I am a startup brand and I'm a skincare brand, and I have recently launched a product like a face wash, and I want influencers who can promote it. So, I'll just quickly switch in this filter thing and I'll choose like female influencers in gender. Definitely I can choose two or three together, but let's say my product is female targeted product, so I am choosing female. Then I have the influencer niche, so I will choose fashion and beauty for sure. Other than, we have like the creator's location. I am not going to choose any particular location right now because I want my videos to go everywhere in India, so I'm skipping this option. Then we have the basic metrics where we can choose the followers count. Let's say I want influencers minimum 5,000 followers till 20,000 followers. Yeah, then we have the content count, monthly views, monthly engagement. You can put all these things for a more detailed result. I am just skipping this part for now. Other than, we have fine-tuned metrics where we can put like how many average views we want. Let's say I want minimum 10,000 views to maximum, let's say 20,000 views in my promotional videos. Okay, other than that, we have average likes, average comments, engagement rate. I am skipping all these things because it truly depends on influencer to influencer. Okay, other than that, we have influencer aesthetic, like what is the quality of the video. So I am choosing like a good aesthetic. Let's say I'm choosing 70 out of 100. Other than that, we have keyword filters, like we can search creators by name, we can search creators by keywords like fashion, GRWM, skincare. I'm skipping all this. Let's apply and let's see like what kind of results we are getting. Okay, so we have got a huge list of influencers, which falls under, my category, which I have put over here. So let's say we have this creator called Preeti, and she has like 14.5K followers. Her engagement rate is good, which is 4.03, which is really good. And views is like also good, 674.6K views per month. Okay, let's click here and let's see. Okay, so the result which is coming, this is completely AI generated result, and it is showing her profile quality is 100%, which is really good. Trustability of the profile is 80%, which is again really good. CPM as in a lot of people knows about it, which is like cost per 1000 view. Per 1000 view, you are giving 340 rupees for this influencer. As in, like the estimated budget is, you can see for this particular influencer is 4.9K to 9.3K. Okay, so as this is a AI generated result, definitely this influencer you can, with this influencer you can negotiate, and डेफिनेटली वो लोअर बजट में भी कर सकते हैं, और हर बजट माइट बी comparatively lower or higher than this budget, but mostly this gives 90% of the result correct, and ये बजट के अंदर ये इन्फ्लुएंसर है. Other than that, we have this estimated reach, कि इनका वीडियोस, आप अगर इनके साथ वीडियो बनाओगे तो कितना रीच जा सकता है, तो 16K to 25.6 के रीच तो आपका जाएगा ही जाएगा वीडियो में. Other than, we have all the profile details over here, like कितने total followers है, कितने post इन्होंने किए हैं, and other things as well. Other than that, we have like what the recent post she has put in her profile. So what we can do is we can go ahead and check her Instagram profile by clicking this button as well, कि कितने इनके profiles में क्या क्या है. And as I can see, she makes a lot of videos and profile aesthetic is good. Okay, so what you need to do is, if you like this particular influencer, you just need to click this invite button and Trendly will handle the rest, because you don't have to go ahead and message that influencer that, hey, I want to collaborate with you. Let's talk, let's collaborate, or anything like that. We will take all the pain from you. You just need to click this invite button and we will handle the rest. Thank you.